Hello, today we will guide you through how to view Fashion Nova order history. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly find your past purchases and track what's on the way. Start by opening the Fashion Nova app on your phone. Give it a second to load and make sure you're connected to the internet and using the latest version of the app for the best experience. If you're prompted to sign in, do so securely with the same account you used when you placed your orders. This helps the app pull up the correct history tied to your account. Once you're on the home screen, look along the bottom navigation bar. On the far right, you'll see Profile or Me, often shown with a small person icon. Tap that to open your account area. This section gathers everything related to you: your saved info, settings, and of course your purchases. Inside your profile, find the option labeled My Order or My Orders and tap it. This brings up your order history. You should now see a list of your recent purchases. Each entry typically shows a quick summary, like the order number, date, total, and a current status such as processing, shipped, or delivered. Tap Any Order to open its full details. On the Order Details screen, you'll usually find the items you bought, sizes and colors, pricing breakdowns including discounts and taxes, and the shipping method. Look for a track or tracking link to view live shipment updates from the carrier. If tracking was just created, give it a little time to populate. When you return to the list, you can refresh the page if you don't immediately see updates. If an order doesn't appear, a few quick checks can help. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you used at checkout. If you completed a purchase as a guest, your confirmation email may be the primary source for details. Very recent orders might take a short while to show up. And if the page looks stuck, close and reopen the app or refresh the list. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. Keep your order number handy. It's useful for returns or support. Consider taking a quick screenshot of the order details for your records. Enabling notifications can also keep you informed about shipping progress and delivery. That's it. Open the app, go to Profile or Me at the bottom right, and then tap My Orders to view everything you need. Thanks for following along, and happy tracking.